Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan and I will show you how to disable the power sliding doors in case your minivan is equipped with those. This video should apply to Dodge Grand Caravans made from 2011 all the way up to 2020. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, now as you know, you can open the power sliding doors by pushing onto the buttons on the key fob, by pulling onto the sliding door handle, or by pushing these buttons up here, left and right side. But there is a fourth button here which says on or off, and if you press it into the off position, that means the power sliding doors will be disabled and you will have just the normal sliding doors, manual sliding doors. And then to enable it again, just press on and they should be working. So it's up to you if you want to use them or if you want to just have normal manual doors. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.